Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttara Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Nowadays, we use electronic equipment for convenience in cooking, but the taste and flavor we get from traditional cooking tools are amazing, and it's a great feast to enjoy. In today's video, we're going to share how to set these firewood stove and make a yummy, delicious dessert. Let's get started. Add some leveling sand and level the area. This is to protect the bottom from the extreme heat. Sand acts as an insulator and reduces the amount of heat which the bottom of your fire pit is exposed. Stack fire bricks. Let's first prepare the vessel to cook. The smoke and fire from the wood will make the exterior of the vessel black, and it will be difficult to clean. To avoid this, we are going to share a tip. To a mixing bowl, add about 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add some water and make into a nice paste. Apply this paste evenly on the vessel and allow it to dry for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's set the firewoods. We are going to place a firewood and use some fire starter to turn on the fire stove. Most hardwood trees are slow growing, making them much denser than softwoods. They're darker in color, burn more slowly, and they are the best for cooking and producing fires, which are hotter and more intense. Popular types of hardwood are oak, birch, and ash. Our firewood stove is ready for cooking. We are using larch. It's a soft wood. They are lighter and lower in density. They ignite faster than hardwoods and emit more smoke, making them better for outside use. Now place the prepared vessel on the stove. Add ghee, add cashew nuts and almonds and fry until golden brown. Now it's time to add in raisins and fry. Nuts have fried well. Take and reserve some nuts for garnish. To the same pan, add tapioca seeds and sauté. For fast and even cooking, I have washed and soaked tapioca pearls in enough water for 1 hour. Add water and cook tapioca pearls for 10 minutes or until they are cooked well. tapioca seeds have cooked well. Now add milk and bring it to a boil. Now add cardamom powder, and sugar. Mix well. Cover and bring it to a boil. Now the payasam is ready. Let's take it from the stove. Serve warm. Yummy, delicious tapioca pearl payasam is ready to enjoy. Yummy, delicious tapioca pearl payasam or pudding is ready to enjoy. We have also cleaned the vessel to show you that there is no ash in the vessel, and it is very easy to clean without scrubbing too much. Stay connected with us to find some more authentic Tamil cuisine recipes from Firewood stove. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!